Hello and happy Thursday. So I am very excited. I'm on my way to the salon and my boss is going to be coloring my hair. If you guys have been following me for a little while now, I mean, I used to change my hair color all the time. I'm like notorious for that, like switching back and forth in a very short amount of time. And most recently, I had did so much damage to my hair because I just over bleached it. My hair was broken and it was just like very thin and fried and dry and just disgusting, and I had to cut it very short to, you know, get all the dead stuff off. And I've been growing it out ever since. I'm just getting so tired of all like the solid dark. I want some dimension and just like a little bit of lighter pieces. I've been saving these photos on my phone of like hair inspiration for months and months now, and I wanted to wait till my hair got to like a certain point where it was like really healthy. I'll show you like some of my inspo pics. So nothing like too dramatically different, nothing that's gonna create damage to my hair, just, you know, something subtle, a little sun-kissed, just to like break up all of the darkness. And we're gonna use like bond protectors and all that good stuff. You know, be nice and gentle. She knows like the history with my hair and that I've been trying to grow it out and get it healthy. It's finally to the point now where like I have no split ends, no breakage. Like it is strong, healthy, shiny, full. It definitely can handle a little bit of color. And the color that I have in my hair right now is a demi-permanent, so it should be able to lift without too much of a problem. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna stop and grab us some coffees before I go in, and I will see you at the salon. So cold. Let me show you my new hair. So yeah, the color is very subtle. She just went around my whole head and just did like little micro foils basically. I wanted to do more of just like a balayage, but I don't know, because my hair is like so dark, we didn't think that it was gonna lift or like do anything. So yeah, she decided to do foils instead. And I'm happy with the color of the lighter pieces. Like I said, I wanted something just a little bit subtle, not too light, just kind of like a chocolatey brown, and something that would blend nicely into the super dark color. Because I do want to go a little bit lighter, like not full on blonde again, but just like a little bit of a lighter brown, have more of a balayage. Like I said, I've been saving a whole album of photos, so I have like a whole transition of like darker, more subtle, like starting out hair, and then slowly transitioning into like a little bit lighter and more of a dramatic change. But even as I start going lighter and lighter, I want to keep the color natural, keep it like more of a balayage, keep dimension and all that kind of stuff. And then she did give me a haircut. You probably can notice we did not touch the front at all whatsoever. So I basically, like, my hair was really damaged from over bleaching it, and then I went and I got a haircut to kind of like add a little bit of layers to my hair, just so that like any breakage that I had would just kind of blend in and it didn't look like so messy and choppy. But the layers that were done to my hair, I did not like at all. Like, there was just way too much all throughout my head. They were just way too short. There was like not a nice flow. Like, I don't know, I think the issue was I had bangs that were growing out, So like these were all bangs at one point. And I think like rather than just leaving them as bangs and as a separate piece, the person who did my haircut last time just like connected my bangs to my longest piece. So it was like a huge dramatic difference in length, and it looked like I had like holes kind of right here. Like I didn't have any hair in this section, like on the sides of my face, and it was just very uneven and just a disaster. And I had just been like letting it grow out and letting it grow out, and now I just got to a point where I'm tired of having a fucked up uneven haircut. So I was like, just let's cut the back to match it up as much as we can to the front pieces, so that way I can continue growing it out and it'll all grow out together. And at least this way, like during the in-between phase, I'll have like a haircut that looks intentional and that like makes sense, rather than having like a whole bunch of crazy layers. She cut the back pretty short, like right to my neckline pretty much. So kind of sucks because it was finally at a point where I could pull it back into a ponytail, and now I can't again, but it's all right. I know even though it was getting like decently long in the back, it was like so fucked up, and like the front was still short. So either way, like I need to really wait for like all of this to grow. So now you can see it's like all more even. She kind of cut it so that it like comes down a little at an angle, so it's a little bit shorter in the back and then kind of swoops down, which I like. I think that's more flattering for my face shape. It's a whole freaking process. Like I'm finally now, my hair's healthy again. I repaired all the damage. I cut off all the dead stuff. I evened out my haircut. So now I'm finally at a point where from here I can just let it grow out, let it do its thing. And yeah. So this begins the journey to long hair, or longer hair. Hi guys! So I have had this vlog sitting on my computer like half edited for days now, and I'm like, I should probably wrap it up so that I can actually post it. It is so hot and it's hilarious. Like I don't understand. It's been like 70 degrees the last few days, which I'm not complaining, but I thought that like this was gonna be it and we were gonna just go straight into winter, because it was so cold. Like it just, there was no real fall, like no transition. It just went from like summer temperatures to cold. But now I'm like, okay, I'm wearing this bomber jacket and I'm sweating underneath. So I have been practicing doing eyelash extensions. I mentioned in a video like months ago that I really wanted to start doing them. You guys know I have been getting them done for years. I love them. Oh, cool, just got cut off. Nice. And I really want to start doing that at my salon because we have the space for it, and there's no one else in this area that does them. Like I drive an hour away to get mine done. So I just see like a huge opportunity there. And especially as someone that's like still in my first year as a hairstylist, like I'm still trying to build my book, so I think that'll be like a great way to just bring a whole bunch more people in. And I've practiced a little bit so far. I haven't really like sat down long enough to do an entire full set. So I've just been practicing the motions of like isolating the eyelashes, applying the extensions, and I've been just doing like an hour or two at a time. The issue too is like right now the bed I've been using to do them on is actually the bed that our microblader uses, and so I'm kind of like just working in between her schedule. So whenever she doesn't have a client, I try to find someone to just come in and just let me practice just for as much time as we can. So I need to really like schedule a time to be able to just sit down for however many hours I need and really do an entire full complete set start to finish. So I practiced on my friend Julia last Friday. Then Saturday my mom came in just for a little while. I did record a little of that. When Julia got here last night, I completely forgot to vlog any of it. But my mom is here now. Hey! And I'm gonna do them on her, which will be fun because she wears glasses. So we're gonna do something short natural, because she doesn't wear makeup either. So, you know, something to just make her eyes pop a little bit. And
hopefully not pop out.
Now I can vlog this. So you're not missing out. The microblader ended up showing up like half an hour after we started, so I really didn't get to do much to her lashes at all. So I only really did like a few on each eye. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been working on as far as work stuff goes. And then yesterday, I went back to the gym for the first time in like, almost 2 months. I'm not gonna get too much into it in this vlog. I'll save it for the next vlog and I'll make it a little bit more of like a fitness update. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting that, like you want it more like fitness stuff. I'm about to pull into work now. That I guess is gonna be the end of this vlog. Oh, and yeah, my hair, I actually am able to fit it into braids, which is exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, feel free to go follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.